and I am this fabric I am attaching as a detail.
गौरव ने कमाल का दिमाग पाया है, पूरी जीन्स को ही पलट के ड्रेस बना दिया है। इसमें मेहनत बड़ी कम नजर आ रही है, पर जजेस उनकी इस क्रिएटिविटी को सराहेंगे या नहीं, ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा।
Oh, I'm liking the look of this. Very interesting. What was this before?
Skirt.
Skirt. Okay, and so this is the top of the skirt?
Yeah, this is like it comes on the hip.
Okay.
I got the stole. This is out of the stole. This is the jacket. This is the sleeves of the jacket.
Okay, designers. We're at the halfway mark. You have 1.5 hours remaining for this final elimination challenge.
कुछ डिजाइनर्स के कपड़े बनते हुए दिख रहे हैं, तो कुछ के बिल्कुल नहीं। जाने क्या बना रहे हैं? ये कुछ बना भी रहे हैं या फिर सिर्फ ख्यालों में ही हो रही है डिजाइनिंग?
Designers, you have 5 minutes left. Now is the time to put on all the finishing touches. Hem, sew, cut, do whatever it is that you have to do. Do it quickly.
I wish like 8 of them stays in the house just because looking at the garment is like more creative and everyone are the best.
आई थिंक टीम वर्क में काम करना और अकेले काम करने में दोनों के अपने एडवांटेजेस और डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं। टीम वर्क में काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होके बन जाती हैं और इंडिविजुअल वर्क में सब कुछ आपके सर पे होता है एंड यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग। इन अ वे इट्स गुड क्योंकि सब कुछ आपके कंट्रोल में है।
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Designers, put down your garments and leave the workshop. Cotton Council International presents Let's Design 3. This has been the first elimination challenge for the season. 8 designers have produced what we hope is good work, but will it be good enough? After 3 hours of hard work, their fate lies in the judges' hands.
I'm feeling comfortable in this, well fitted.
It's very different.
I like the crochet and cotton mix.
So this was the first elimination round of Cotton Council International presents Let's Design 3 Naturally in Love. The last 3 hours have been nerve-wracking. We saw a few of our designers struggle with designs, with cuts and with creating the silhouettes they wanted. In this challenge of Recycle to Reinvent, all the designers were given a collection of old garments and they had to use those items to create another one that was innovative, interesting and unique. Right now, I have with me our judges, Gayatri Khanna, Rocky S.
Hi.
And Nisha Jangiani. Who will determine if they were successful in that task and which two of our contenders will not get a second chance. Let's have a look at the first creation of this elimination challenge. First contestant for the evening is Briesh. Briesh was provided with a small pink skirt, a white top, a pink jacket, and his final creation is...
Like a one piece inside.
Yeah, this is a one-piece garment.
Is that a skirt with the top and the pants inside?
No, it's not pant, it's leggings.
Oh, they're leggings. So that's separate.
Top
Yeah,
and
that's
skirt is
separate.
one piece.
It's balloon is separate, and this is like.
And the leggings you made from the sleeves of the jacket.
And they're not full
tested
leggings.
even single-inch fabric because I have very limited fabric and very limited trims.
I like it a lot. I think it's very fun, very fresh, quite innovative, looks cute and styled well.
Thanks.
I think it is yet keeping in mind that what you got was a very young outfit, and you've transformed the whole outfit into again a similar young looking outfit, but it's yet completely different, so which is very nice.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Can I see it without the bolero? Or is the yeah? So for me, I would lose that piece because it's very cute, it's very fun, it's very young. But I feel there's a little too much happening.
Yeah, it's overdone.
Yeah. So now that you've knocked off the bolero, I think it's a cleaner look, and at the same time, it's looking quite stylish, quite chic, and it's maintaining the young feel.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Next up, we have Urvashi. Urvashi was provided with a floor-length skirt, a stole, and a shirt. Let's bring out Urvashi's creation.
You've used the panels of the skirt in the top.
At the top.
We can take off the shirt.
Is it a dress?
It's a dress.
It's a dress, right? It's not a shirt
Then
tucked
skirt.
in. Yeah?
No.
Okay.
It's a full dress.
So where's the shirt gone?
The shirts
You've
I
lined
become
it.
the lining
Okay.
because I needed to put a lining for the
Right.
frills.
Okay.
And have you done a low V-neck because you didn't have enough fabric, or that's part of the
No, actually, that
design?
was the part of the whole. I knew the model was carrying inner.
Okay.
And I wanted it to be like
Okay.
so.
Can we see the back of it
Sure.
as well?
If you want, I can take the shrug off.
Oh, nice. The back is nice.
It looks nice without the shrug, but provided you have to use everything.
Yeah.
So I think you've done pretty good. I just felt that you could have the waist part could have been finished much nicer.
Yeah, the line at the waist, the seam, it's a little up and down.
That's it. Thank you.
Up next, we have Akash. Akash was provided with a skirt, a jacket, and a stole. Let's see Akash's final creation.
I think it's very nice. It's very innovative. It's modern. It's got a lot of detail involved in it, and yet it's very clean-looking garment. And it's unusual. It's definitely very innovative. I definitely like it. I like the way you've used the print to just give it a good highlight, and I think it's fresh and nice.
Yeah, I think it's young, funky, as he said, strong, and it's yet very feminine with the print and everything. So he's used all the fabric. He's transformed a completely different outfit to another outfit.
I like the idea behind it. What I would have liked to see is something maybe fitted a bit better, or maybe the shorts a bit shorter, or then a bit longer going into
Right.
like a.
It's
To
in
me,
between.
the length is sort of not working for me. And you know, I would have liked it to have a little more structure than been really slouchy. It's kind of in between for me. Thank you.
Thanks.
Next up, we have Manjari. Now, Manjari was given a crochet jacket, a green maxi dress, and a brown bag. Let's see Manjari's final creation.
I think there's a little too much going on here. I understand you had to use all your 3 garments, but I think they needed to be used in a little more smarter a way. It's looking too patched on. For me, that would be an issue. I like the silhouette otherwise. I like what you've done with the hemline and so on, but it's just looking like too much for
Yeah,
me.
the drape and the knit, the way you put it is very nice. Only thing, again, I would agree with her is the patchwork from the back, which you removed and just placed it randomly on the dress, considering, you know, there's so much happening already. Right now, it's looking like kind of clowny. So if you get rid of those things which are there, then I really like the dress.
Yeah, because the silhouette and the idea is very interesting. We can see you've put in a lot of work, so that's all really showing through. But like they both said, I think we're all in agreement.
And the way it's
Yeah.
put together is very nice. Only thing is just those things which are stuck together.
The drape is lovely because you've transformed it completely, but then it looks like last minute you're like, now what do I do with this? So stick it on. That's what it looks like.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Our next designer is Gaurav. Gaurav was given a pair of jeans, a brown top, and a black top. Bring out Gaurav's final creation.
Gaurav, where are all the other pieces? The brown top, the black top. I can only see denim as the main thing in the whole.
I've converted the black top into a flower form which is hanging from the back side, and the top which is converted like a sleeve part, and I twisted that part, sleeve part, and converted into a stripe which is hanging to the shoulder part.
Yeah, I think
It's not really
doing anything.
something.
Yeah. I think that I know exactly what you're feeling because we don't know what to say really. I think it's very like it's not doing anything for us.
There's
it's
no
not showing us
idea as such that we're
Yeah.
catching from.
Actually,
it.
but unfortunately it's not popping.
And considering you got like 2 tops and a whole pair of jeans to make something different out of it, we were really expecting something.
We didn't notice the flowers
And
until
it's
you
not
pointed
even
it out.
an
to us.
outline where you have to be commercial. It's about your creativity, and you could have gone a little crazy. It's yet looking like a simple dress, me if I see it. But anyways, on the whole, it's alright. So thanks.
Thank you.
Our next designer is Madhuri. Madhuri was given a pair of jeans, a dress, and a pink bag. Let's see Madhuri's final creation.
Can we see it without a bolero?
Yeah, sure.
Use the bag as trim.
I've used a patch here. This and the buttons.
Madhuri, I love the bolero, man.
Yeah, I
We all
think the
love it.
bolero
I
is
think
the
it's
best.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
She can wear it again. And I wish you kept a full open jacket kind
You
of.
didn't need to have a little closure there.
The shorts are also from the jeans?
No, it's hers
Oh.
because I didn't have enough.
Ah.
Yours looking dead.
Okay.
Are you wearing just a top then?
Yes, the top and the bolero.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right, I think it's looking fine.
Thank you.
Thanks so
The
much.
bolero is definitely very fun.
Up next, we have Rudra. Rudra was given a grey jacket, a grey dress, and a brown top. Let's see Rudra's final creation.
Is it a top and a skirt or is
Yeah,
it
it's
a
a
dress?
top and a skirt.
Can we see the back?
So that's
Okay,
the top
and that's the skirt.
That's a skirt.
Okay. It's an interesting concept, definitely. I'm only not sure whether it's flattering.
I think
Yeah.
both the pieces are nice separately and mixed with a basic top. Putting it together, it's looking a little too much, but it's very innovative, very different. I like the skirt on its own, and I
Yeah.
like the top on its own. Everything is very nice. It's just that the print is just too disturbing.
Yeah, so
That's
we
why I'm
need-
saying the top on its own is very nice.
Yeah.
Can be mixed with a basic jeans or something, and the skirt on its own is very nice.
So we will set कि you can create 2 garments, 3 garments. एक साथ उनको दिखाना था, so I just got it on.
From my perspective as another designer, I just feel that because the print is so busy and I
Yeah.
know you had to use it, I wish you
Yeah.
had used it in a slightly more appeasing way.
So Rudra, on the whole, pretty good job, and thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
And our final designer for the evening is Srinath. Srinath was provided with a blue tube top, check crop pants, and a check shirt. Let's bring out Srinath's final creation.
Can you just turn around one, sorry? I think there's too much going on for me. There's a one shoulder, there's a frill, there's a mixture of print. And I know you have to play with print, but then I think your silhouettes needed to be a little cleaner.
Frankly, it's looking very costumey.
Yeah.
Right now, it's not doing anything to me. At least I don't see anything which is exciting and something crazily different. Considering you had 3 big pieces, you could have done something much more.
You know, like we can see that something really fun could have come out of this, and that's not really translating through in your garment.
Good effort. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
मैंने अपना बेस्ट जॉब किया, ये रिजल्ट तो क्या है?
I think I'll get through, but you never know. I like the dress a lot. And I like the shrug as well.
So I'm in a danger zone. I have just come out of a jury. I have done my bit, and I've left them upon that.
अच्छा नहीं लगा इतना ज़्यादा. Now I really don't know what's gonna happen.
They like it all. They like that you have done an innovation, creativity kind of thing.
Whatever I got, like I got it. What I had in my mind when I saw the fabric, end of the day I got like the same image.
Judges, we've seen the 8 designers who were in the elimination challenge. What did you think of their creations?
I think it was fantastic to do it in 3 hours, transform the whole thing, restitch the entire new garment,
Think of it. Yeah.
and put it together. I mean, great job.
Yeah.
Quite creative.
We like a couple of designers out of the rest.
Any that kind of stood out to you as being very innovative, even wearable?
I think the bolero for us.
I think the bolero
across the
really
board.
did
Yeah.
pretty well.
The bolero is a wearable, fashion-forward piece that I think we all love.
Any that didn't quite work for you?
Well, the 2 people who really gonna go out, it didn't work for us.
Thank you for your thoughts.
एक बार पहले की खा चुके हैं ये मात, अब क्या ये आउटफिट्स इन्हें नेक्स्ट लेवल तक ले जा पाएंगे? जजेस ने फैसला ले लिया है, टेंशन बढ़ रहा है, इन 8 कंटेस्टेंट्स की धड़कनें तेज हो रही हैं। इन 8 में से किन 2 का सफर होगा यहीं समाप्त? कौन 2 लौटेंगे अपने घर? इसका फैसला होगा पर अगले एपिसोड में।